Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am going to show you how to recreate this really fun makeup look for the summer. I'm not going to talk loads, so let's just get straight into it. Yeah. The main product for this makeup look is this bold cobalt blue shade from Inc.redible Cosmetics. It is called Dose of Ego. Personally, I feel like this is my favorite makeup look that I have created to date. I am absolutely loving the cobalt blue eyeshadow. This particular one from Inc.redible Cosmetics is amazing. The application was just easy and it is highly pigmented, that it shows on moi's very dark skin, and I am here for it and I am loving it. There's nothing I can really fault about this makeup. It's just so easy to use. Personally, the eyeshadow, it's creamy, it just glides on top of your eyelids. If you have any questions about it, leave it below and I will get back to you. All of the makeup products I have used I have listed in the description box below, so you can check that out as well. But I just really wanted to show you guys what the Inc.redible Cosmetics eyeshadow Dose of Ego looked like on, and it is amazing. It is a go from me. Absolutely loving it. I've also got the 3 other pots from the Inc.redible Cosmetics Lid Slick collection, so I will be trying those on as well for you guys so you can see what it looks like. I don't think anything can quite compete with this cobalt blue shade, but we shall see. For now, this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial, and thank you for tuning in. If you liked it, make sure you like. If you're not subscribed, make sure you are subscribed, and do share it as well. And I will see you guys later. Thank you for tuning in.